Welcome to VIP Auto TV, the channel where we dive deep into the world of unique, fascinating, and inspiring vehicles from around the globe. Whether you're a gearhead, an adventurer, or someone who simply loves the beauty of engineering, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because we're about to embark on an incredible journey with some of the most extraordinary machines ever created. Today's feature: the Kenworth Motorhome. This is not just a motorhome, it's a masterpiece. Built on the foundation of a heavy-duty Kenworth truck, this luxury home on wheels combines rugged durability, timeless design, and top-tier comfort. With its unparalleled capabilities and eye-catching presence, the Kenworth Motorhome stands out as a one-of-a-kind mobile residence. Built for performance and strength, Kenworth is a brand long synonymous with reliability and power, known for producing some of the most dependable semi-trucks in the industry. But what happens when that robust engineering is transformed into a luxury motorhome? You get a vehicle designed for both adventure and comfort, no matter where the road takes you. The first thing you notice is its sheer size and presence. Unlike your average RV, this beast is built on a heavy-duty chassis designed to handle long hauls and tough terrain. Its exterior often features sleek custom paint jobs, massive storage compartments, and cutting-edge lighting systems, making a bold statement wherever it goes. Powerful engine for any terrain. Under the hood, most Kenworth motorhomes are powered by high-performance diesel engines, such as the Cummins X15 or PACCAR MX-13. These engines deliver exceptional power and efficiency, providing the torque needed to conquer steep inclines, tow heavy loads, and travel long distances effortlessly. With this kind of power, you can bring along extra equipment like ATVs or even a boat without breaking a sweat. Luxury meets functionality inside. Step inside, and you'll find a blend of comfort and sophistication. Depending on customization, you might find high-quality leather seating, hardwood floors, and state-of-the-art appliances. The living area is spacious, often featuring a plush sofa, a dining table, and plenty of windows for natural light. Many models come with a fully equipped kitchen, including a full-size refrigerator, microwave, stove, even a dishwasher. The bedroom is equally impressive, with a king or queen-sized bed, ample closet space, and a flat-screen TV. And let's not forget the bathroom. It often rivals those found in high-end apartments, featuring a full shower, premium fixtures, and plenty of storage. Advanced technology for a modern experience. One of the most impressive aspects of the Kenworth motorhome is its smart home integration. Many models allow you to control lighting, temperature, and entertainment systems with a touch of a button, or even voice commands. Additional high-tech features include solar panels for off-grid living, advanced battery systems for extended trips, GPS navigation and safety features to enhance travel security. Built for adventure. For those who love off-road exploration, the Kenworth motorhome is up for the challenge. With a heavy-duty suspension and a powerful drivetrain, this vehicle can tackle remote locations that standard RVs wouldn't dare to go. Whether you're exploring national parks, deserts, or rugged mountain trails, this motorhome is built to handle it all in style. The ultimate lifestyle choice. The Kenworth motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. It's for those who value freedom, adventure, and the finer things in life. Imagine waking up to breathtaking views, traveling at your own pace, and never having to compromise on comfort or convenience. What do you think? Is the Kenworth motorhome your dream vehicle? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to VIP Auto TV for more deep dives into the world's most incredible machines. See you in the next video.